Hey guys, what's up? This is Shewquet coming in with March. It's Sephora Play beauty box. So open it up. Looks like that. We already know what it looks like. Comes in a bag. Purple. This time the bag is purple. The bag is purple. Oh, this is a lot smaller too. Looks like that. So let's get into what I got in my bag. Not in any particular order. We have, the perfume sample for this month. They throw a perfume sample in each bag each month. And then I got a Stella All Stay liquid eyeliner, and yep, in black. I take it out, looks like that. It is a Stella eyeliner. Then I got something from NARS. This is their lip pigment, and this is in color Star Woman. $27.79. That color right there is a bright red. Ooh, it is a very bright red. I have on a matte lipstick from, I've forgotten who it's from the beauty supply store. So I got that. Got a dry shampoo. A dry shampoo, which I probably would never use, but I do have that by Dry Bar. All right, got something from Fresh Sugar Mint Rush, which I love their lip products. This is one of their lip treatments. Looks like that. It's green looking, and it's just really a lip balm. So I got that. I'm gonna get use out of this. And last but not least, I have this from Glam Glow. I've used this once, and that's about it. But like if you have used any of these products before that you saw that I did show, let me know. Also, what came in your March Sephora Play box? Let me know that below as well. Do not forget to comment, thumbs up or thumbs down depending on your preference. Alright guys, and don't forget to hit that bell on the side too so you're notified when I upload a video. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to subscribe. Have a blessed day. Bye.
Lifestyle and random too.